Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today what we will be learning is how to design a text like this using Pixellab. And if you check my Instagram page, you see that I've designed a design like this, like using the same style on my Instagram page. And if you are through with it, you can just try to maneuver your way through it. So thank you, please like, subscribe and share this video if you find it more inspiring. Thank you. Okay guys, what we are going to do first is to import our color palette, and the link to download the color palette will be in the description box, so you can just check it out. And please like, subscribe and share, and please, that will mean a lot to me. So first thing we are doing now is to import it from using our image. So let's import it. To import it, you can either use this way. I click on this one at the top here. Okay, let me show you guys. Okay, you can click on this, so when it brings out this, so you can click on this gallery here. Okay, now so let's import it using this gallery. So sometimes it will change to the landscape size. Let's wait for the picture to load. Okay, so this is it. Just click on the image and it will bring it out. Okay, let's click on this mark sign here. Alright, so now we have our color palette there. So let's delete well, we can, don't let us delete it, let's just bring it up like this. Okay, so now let's write our text. The text we will be using is, let me just put it as text. Text is okay, done. Okay, now so for this tutorial we are going to be using two layers of this text. So the first text will be for the color palette here. The one at the top will be for the first layer of the text, while this second one here will be for the second layer of the text. So for this one, let's change the text to the font of this text to let's pick happiness. So the link to download this font will be in the description box as well. So now we have it. Now let's change the color of the text. The color, the text, color. Now the color will be gradient, not normal color. So if you want to change it, it should be from right to left like this. Okay, let me even use the default here, you see. So for this first one, let's click on the color. Okay, pick your color picker, then go to your color palette, and it will be this first one, the first one there. Okay, so now let's add another one, then click on color again, go there, go to your color palette, and it will be the second one. Okay, so sorry, now add another one again. So this other one will be the third one. So that's it. Now all you have to do is repeat this same pattern, repeat it. Okay, we will have another one. Sorry. So the next one we have here will be, what's the color, on color picker, then it will be this second one again. So that's it. So next thing you have to do is repeat the same pattern like this, repeat it again. So another one, go to your color picker, your color palette, then the first color, and that's it. Okay, so another one, so color palette, your color palette, then the second one. Okay, then again, sorry, click on add your color picker, color palette, and your next one will be your dark one. So that's it. Okay, so next one will be, sorry, oh, made a mistake, it should be this, supposed to be this. So and again, supposed to be here. Okay, so let's your color again, color. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now is to repeat it again, the same way we repeat it this way. So we have to repeat it again. So let's do this. Okay, so we are here, add, it's supposed to be here. Color, so that will be the light one. Okay, add, sorry, another one, so it will be here. So this will be second one. Okay, so add again, this will be the third one. Okay, so now we are the last part. So what we are going to do here is just to add this, just these two. Let me show you, just these two color, like these two here, is just what we need to add next. So let's add them. So the next one, so okay, so go to color, then pick first one. So that's it. The basic principle here is from the light to the light one, like the light should be at the beginning and the light color will be at the end there. All you have to do is just arrange it the same way I arranged them. So click on OK. So now that's it. So maybe let's change our background color to maybe white. Let's change it to white. Okay, so that's it. Okay, let's leave it that way. So now what we do next is for this text, let's align it to be at the middle. Okay, so next thing we do now is our stroke, the stroke for that text now. Okay, the stroke for that text will be the gradient, and it will be this one, but it will be arranged from the top here to the bottom, like that, the top to the bottom, and arranging that way it will reduce a bit, and that means it will reduce a bit. So that means these last ones will be deleted. You see how I delete them? And then next thing we are going to do is all the colors we've arranged, like all these ones, you know, it was before it was from the light, that one, from the light one to the light one, but now it will be from the dark one to the dark one. So the beginning will be dark, so let's arrange it, put this light one here, same way this one. So yeah, like that. But we still have to delete more of these inside, because for this one the light ones will be having will just be 3. So that means we have light, dark, dark, light, dark, light. So we are deleting this and this. So now let's arrange it like this, okay, to be perfect. So, okay, that's it. So now you click on okay. You see how it looks. So let's have this radio and the stroke width to be 4. So 4 is okay for us. Click on okay. So next thing you're going to do now is to go to your 3D text. Click on the 3D text. So instead of this perspective, the view type perspective, it will be oblique. So click on oblique. Then we are going to change let's reduce this dark a little bit. Okay, it's okay that way. Now let's up this stimulate lightning. We don't need it. So next time, just to rotate it a bit, let's leave it as like 190, like 190 or 190. It's okay. Now let's reduce the depth to like 5. Okay, so now, so that's it for this. Okay, next thing we are going to do now is to copy this text. Copy the text. Okay, so when we copy this, it will this one it will, you know, as I said earlier, I said the color will be this second row. So that's what we are going to use. So the color, go to the color. We'll be using gradient as well. So gradient, but we have to be deleting it. So let me just pick one then stop here. So okay, so this one now will be from left as well, left to right. So and it's instead of so let's go to the but this one will now be from dark to light, like that. Okay, so that will be that, and this will just be one sequence. Sorry, it's supposed to be this, supposed to be the first one. Okay, yeah, that's okay. So this second one will now be second one. This third one will now be the first one again, and so that's it. Okay, now the stroke for this one, let me off the 3D text first, so now the stroke as well. So this stroke will be coming from the darker side. So let me add one here. So this one will now be from the dark to the dark, like we did for the stroke of that first text. So that will be dark, and the dark will be this one. Yeah. Okay, so change it to be closer a bit. Okay. Now, oh, sorry. This will be this last one will be the light. Add another one, color, to come back to this. So another one, we have, oh sorry, it's like I've been split. Okay, this is supposed to be another dark one. Sorry, I'm very sorry for that. Okay, so now this is supposed to go here. Yeah, exactly. Let me check if this is correct. Okay, so this will be here. Let's add another one. So now let's add another one, and that will be our last one, and it will be the dark one. Okay, so now like this, like we arrange the stroke of that first one, that will be the same arrangement for this one. And mind you, it won't be going from left to right, it will be going from up to bottom, like it's meant for the first one we did. So just arrange it this way. Okay, now click on up to bottom like this. So that's it. Just can try to change it to your own specific taste. I think this is okay for mine. For mine is okay this way. So click on OK. So you see what we got. So next thing is, before we continue to work on this first text is supposed to have a shadow, and the shadow will be, we pick the shadow from the color palette, and it will be this last one. That's the shadow for this. That will be okay. So can increase, let's say, okay, sorry, the blur radius is not something that is, let's leave it at 7, and then let it come out a bit this way. Okay, so sorry, put it as -8 and +8. So like it that way. This is the opposite to about 50. 50. Okay, so that's it. So now this one will be at the middle again, at the middle. So let's align it to be at the middle, that's directly on top of that one. So next thing we are going to do to the first, to the text at the first side is, let's make it to be 3D as well, make it to be oblique, but the depth will be just 2. So sorry, it should be 1, not 2. It should be 1. So leave the rest to be the way they are and click on OK. But what we have to do to this is that we have to shift it up a bit. So let's go to our position, reduce this. It will show some little part of the one under it. That's just what you want to do. So that's it. Okay, now so next thing we are going to do with this is to give it a shadow, and the shadow we have the color of the first shadow. So that's it. So leave the blur radius to be 4. The next thing you're going to do is just to put it as -4 and +5. So that's it, -4 and +5, and then so like that you have your text. So look, check the position once again. So that's it. So and that you have your test. So now if you just wish to add some spice to it, then you can do well. This is all we have to consider for the tutorial. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, share, and please, if you do that, that will mean a lot to me. Thank you.